Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. So we're doing a pantry meal with this Indian meal kit. It has all your spices and crushed tomato and your butter chicken paste, and you can use your home canned chicken, your freeze-dried chicken, or your store-bought canned chicken. You'll need some butter. You could use your home canned butter. You'll need some cream. You can use this. You can use this. I've even used sour cream. You can even use milk. Tonight I'm using fresh chicken because I want to use up what's in my freezer. Start getting that cooked up. You'll need an onion finely diced. You can use dehydrated or freeze-dried onion, just rehydrate it. So let's see what the directions say here. So in a large bowl it says combine the butter chicken paste and your chicken and mix well. And if you see any mess around here, it's me putting my oatmeal in Mylar bags, so I'm going to get that finished after I do dinner. So I'm going to put my chicken in this bowl, and this is a good way to stretch your meats. I'll be making some basmati rice and naan bread to go with this. So let's see. So this must be the butter chicken paste. It says mix me first. So I shall do that. Can definitely smell the spices in there, and it's definitely a paste. Ooh, that's gonna be spicy. Okay, set that aside. Next step is heat butter over medium heat in a saucepan with a lid. Add onion and the dried chili and spices. Leave the chili out for a mild curry. Cook stirring for 3 to 4 minutes until onions are soft. So we will add our butter. Turn the heat down. Hey, hey. It's way hot. Turn back around here. And add our spices. Dried chili. I think I will pull out the cinnamon. I'll leave it for a second, but I'm not the biggest fan of the cinnamon flavor. I can smell it, so that's enough for me. So we're going to stir this until our onions are softened. If you don't want it spicy, just leave out the chilies or take out some of the chilies for a milder spice. Okay, those are starting to look translucent. Now we're going to add our chicken with the pasty stuff. You don't need any more cinnamon, I can smell it in there. It says when the chicken starts to change color, add the crushed tomatoes. I think I'm going to get some more tomato. Add some more tomato. Mine looks prettier. This looks very spicy. Oh! That went everywhere. It's on you guys. Okay. It says cover with the lid and let simmer for 20 minutes. Remove lid and simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes to thicken slightly. Remove from heat and add your cream. So I will add the lid and let this simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, it has simmered for 20 minutes. And I'm going to add a lot of cream because it is spicy. What's it called for? 3 tablespoons. That's my rice. And if you don't have cream, you can use milk, yogurt, sour cream. I mean, you can always play with the recipe if you don't have exactly what it calls for. But this is spicy, so I am cooling it down. It's not as orange as normal. Probably because I always cool it down so much. More red. And this is from Marion's Kitchen. Marion's Kitchen meal kits. Get a spoon and see if that helped with the heat, so you could take out a few of those chilies. I mean, it tastes good, but boy was it hot. Yeah, that helped. So as soon as our basmati is ready, dinner will be served. And make sure you pull out your, there's some bay leaves in there. Probably pull those chilies out too. We don't need any more help from them. They have done their job. For sure. Are we recording? There were several chilies in there. Bay leaf, chili, want to make sure there's no chili in my husband's serving. Check our rice. That's about done. This is done. So I will get the naan out of the oven and plate us up. Okay, everything's ready. Hot and ready. So there's that. A piece of hot naan bread. And that's dinner. You could sprinkle something green on top and make it all pretty. I noticed YouTube, the videos are looking like they're underwater or something. My last video, I just posted a video and I'm like, it's looking weird. And when I watch other people, theirs look the same way. So I think that's a YouTube thing. So anyways, there's dinner, everything from the pantry, and you could make the naan bread very easily, and yeah, everything just right out, pantry with your kits, has everything in it. I added the tomatoes, which I'm glad because it is spicy. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Please like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and you all stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay dry, don't flood, and I will see you soon.